On behalf of Pentecostal Assemblies of God, we present this help to you in response to the challenges that you faced.
Batakachire ebintu ebi ebyokubasa kubayambaho ahambuge nkuru eza district eya Kasese Elifazi Muhindo chairperson w'entebe ya katano awa district ya Kasese ashabire abebembezi b'edini okwebembera programs ezigenderire kushemesa abantu abali kutura myanya eri kuchere kuterwa ebigwererezi okureba ngo babasa kuruga omyanya nkeji ngo kandi kibase kuburirwa abebembezi b'edini.
But that requires that our people need to be educated, to be sensitized, to be taught, to be guided on how best they can be able to live on the smallest pieces of land that they have.
James Muthuruhanda chairperson w'entebe ya kashatu owegomborora eya Bugoye ashabire government ogumanetaho emiringo eyo kubasa kuhera abantu nkaba na mnonga abokushanga ngo enkuto bwiro bwinji nizo zikubanza kusisikara ahamwe no kureba ngo abantu nkaba bakabahikiro hebigwererezi babasa kuhika omarwariro ahamwe no kutunga obundi buhereza.
Roads that are connecting to this village, they are all destroyed. Groups were destroyed, and 3 lives of our people perished, and the family buried. And we also faced a challenge of our crops like bananas, cassava, maize, and yams. They also perished.
Buri makagona agateganisibwe abaze kutunga amabati 16 batunga emifarise 2 eya inchina ebintu bikuyamba abana amashomero ebyo kurya kandi ebi bibahibwe aba Pentecostal Assemblies of God kandi ekibachikozire nko kuba echo kureberaho ahakuyamba abantu abahikirweho obuzibu.
This area is prone to earthquakes, and when a few years ago here again we had to come here because many people were affected with the earthquake effects. So even the way they construct their houses is a very interesting way. My advice is also when we are construct your house in such a way that when water comes, it doesn't become a roadblock to water.
Arikugambaho n'abanyamakuru Dr. Bishop Franco Onaga, General Secretary wa Pentecostal Churches of Uganda, ahigira abantu abari kutura omyanya nkeji okureba ngo babasa kweteraho emiringo mirungi eyo kubasa kuhinga hamwe no kureba ngo bareberera emyanya eyi bari kuturamo.
We are here to express the love of God for his people. And as a church, what do we do? How Jesus feels about his people, that's the way we feel. So today what we are doing here is expressing our faith in action, sharing the love of Jesus Christ with the people. As Jesus Christ said, who is your neighbor? Your neighbor is the one who identifies what you are suffering through and who comes alongside with you to help you walk through the struggle.
Banyime kweza kwakira ebintu ebi bamwe ombanta batunjiro buyambi babasize kusima ahabo bushagiki obo batunjire abo kushanga ngo bakaferwa ebintu bingi ombwire obahikirweho ebigwererezi.
Munasenderwa evindu esyangoko nesyambuno nemikolisi yeyusimu yasenda ebindu ebyusimu byagenda namabese ngawete ekyarahambako nesendu bamusyabana musyaenda nerumuna yuwe esingawete ekyosi ekyanangako.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Muhindo Gerard ahawa Sky TV omuri Kasese.